What's up guys, now in today's video we are going to look at this car sublimation air freshener. So this basically scented oil air freshener that you can basically place oil onto this right here. This basically can use in your car. So there are basically 100 pieces of them that come inside, as you can see right here. This is air freshener, very flexible. You can place your scented oil onto this right here, and it is DIY. You can design it into any form that you want it to. So basically, also in a package we have this little card that can basically attach onto right here. And also we have these bags that you can basically place them into. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to design this one right here so that you guys see how this basically works. Let's give it that DIY look.